I looked at over 100 gadgets this year, and 91 of them are a complete waste of money. You know how it goes. They look amazing in a 30-second ad and then just die in a drawer after 3 days. But these 9 are different. One can make a flight almost silent. One makes real barista-level espresso in the middle of nowhere with no power. One can keep your fridge running during a blackout. One replaces the keys you use every day. And one ring can tell you're getting sick before you feel it. This isn't an Amazon bestsellers list. This is 100 plus gadgets filtered to only 9 people actually still use after 30 days. Let's count down from 9 to 1. Sony noise-canceling headphones, flagship over-ear active noise canceling, new driver tuning, upgraded processor, multi-point Bluetooth that survives switching between laptop and phone without a fight, and the quick charge port that turns a 10-minute coffee stop into a full workday of battery. Critically, this is the pair other ANC manufacturers benchmark against, and on long flights, in open offices, and on the subway car behind a busted speaker, the difference is measurable. Honest critique? They're not subtle, they're not fashion, they're not the lightest pair on the head. If you wanted invisible, get earbuds. If you wanted the best silent enclosure you can carry on your head, this is it. Anker Magnetic Charger. Q2 standard, magnetic alignment that snaps to the back of the phone like a MagSafe pad should. Charges iPhone and Android at full speed without the micro-adjust dance. The reason this matters? It lives on the nightstand, on the desk, in the hotel nightstand drawer, and the moment you stop hunting for a cable in the dark, you stop taking your phone out of wireless charging. Honest critique? Magnetic alignment means you cannot game or browse comfortably while it charges. The phone is locked flat to the pad. That's the trade-off for any magnetic charger. This is the one that earned its permanent spot on my desk. Wakako Portable Espresso Maker. Hand pump, no batteries, no pods, just your own ground coffee and water. Roughly the size of a water bottle. Pumps real espresso-grade pressure on the go. Critically, the Nanopresso is the travel espresso category done correctly. Small enough for a backpack pocket, strong enough that the resulting shot will surprise people who think portable means weak. Honest critique, it takes practice. It takes a decent grinder, and you are the barista. If you already know your grind size, this is your travel coffee setup. Leatherman Skeletool CX. 5 ounces on the belt. Pliers, knife, screwdriver, bottle opener, carabiner clip. The keychain adjacent everyday carry multi-tool that doesn't pretend to be a Swiss Army knife and doesn't weigh you down. Critically, the CX has the most used tools, fewer duplicates, and a titanium-coated blade that holds an edge. This is the EDC tool people who actually carry tools every day choose. Honest critique? You are paying for the brand, the warranty, and the carry-on aircraft-grade fit. If you wanted a keychain-only tool, look at the Micra. If you wanted belt carry, Skeletool CX is the one. EcoFlow Portable Power Station. Roughly the size of a lunchbox. Quiet inverter, fast solar charge input, enough runtime to keep a fridge alive for hours. Multiple output ports. AC, USB-C PD, DC, car socket. Critically, this is the power station category done at the size that actually fits in a closet, a trunk, or under a workbench. Backup power during an outage, weekend camping power, job site power for someone without inverter generator money. Honest critique? Solar panels are sold separately and aren't cheap, and the unit itself is heavy when you factor the battery. If you wanted suitcase scale power you can wheel around, this isn't it. If you wanted the most useful box in the apartment, it is. If this list is moving the needle, hit like. Subscribe if you haven't. That's the only reason this channel keeps doing real test videos and not sponsored junk. 4 more after this. Schlage Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt. Built-in Wi-Fi, pin pad, app unlock, auto lock, works with Apple Home, Google Home, Alexa. Critically, Schlage Smart Lock is the unit that doesn't make you choose between security and convenience. It's a grade 1 deadbolt core with smart features bolted on, not the reverse. Honest critique, batteries are the limiting factor, and the app notifications occasionally fire late during internet hiccups. If you wanted a deadbolt that works without your phone at all, this still works with the keypad. That's the point. The first piece of your house that should have become smart a decade ago. Anker Nebula Air Portable Projector. Built-in battery, autofocus, auto keystone, built-in Android TV. full HD resolution, night-friendly brightness for bedroom or backyard use. Critically, this is the projector category where you stop hunting for an HDMI cable and start watching the game on the ceiling. Honest critique, portable brightness is not darkroom thrower brightness. Daytime viewing needs blackout curtains or you lose contrast. If you wanted a 4K theater replacement, look at a hardwired unit. If you wanted the projector you keep on the shelf and grab whenever the room says movie, this is the answer. Oura Ring 5. Sleep tracking that doesn't ask you to wear a watch. Continuous heart rate monitoring, stress and recovery scores that actually map onto how rested you feel the next morning. The honest read? The Ring wins on sleep and recovery analytics. The Whoop wins on training strain and athletic load. Both require a monthly subscription to keep the rich data on device. Critically, the moment these stop being fitness toy and start being system you actually trust is the moment you start planning your week around the recovery score, not around how you feel. Honest critique, subscriptions are real, and the simple 3-score view you get without paying is borderline useless. If you wanted watch only, look elsewhere. If you wanted the wearable that quietly changed sleep behavior for hundreds of thousands of people, both of these are the answer. Ninja Waffle Maker. Ceramic nonstick that genuinely doesn't stick. 4-square Belgian waffle capacity, even heat across plates. Critically, this is the small kitchen appliance category where the unit you buy once and keep for 10 years lives. Honest critique, storage footprint on a small counter is real. And once you own it, you'll want ingredients you don't currently have in the pantry. That's not a problem, that's the point. The first appliance you'll actually use every Sunday for the next decade. So these are the 9 gadgets out of 100 I find. Drop one comment with the one you've already got and the one you're gonna add this week. Subscribe if you haven't. Click on the video coming on your screen. See you there. Bye.